Hello everyone and welcome back to Coders World Academy. In day 1 and day 2, we learned the basic, but today is the most important step, how to actually save your code so it's work in a browser. If you don't save it correctly, your website won't show up. Let's get started. First, we talk about Notepad. Many beginners make a mistake here. When you go to File and just save as, won't hit just enter. You need to change the extension name .html. We had two types of file we can save. First, just Ctrl+S and you can go to file and save as options. First you need to type your name with extension name and save as type to text document to all files and UTF-8 encoding and save. I changes this hello world to welcome to Coders World. Let's save the code. Refresh the page. The browser show you welcome to Coders World Academy. Now let's switch to W Studio Code, my favorite editor. It's a much smarter. Just press Ctrl+S, name it index.html, and W Studio Code automatically know it's a web page. Look at the top menu file. Turn on the autosave every time. Files and autosave, take it every time. You don't need to save every time the code. If you do autosave, save as and change the file name .html, save as type HTML and save. I already saved, that's why I cancel it. Let's change the headings. Hello world to welcome to Coders World Academy. And just save and refresh the page. Welcome to Coders World Academy. That's it for day 3. Your homework is to save a file named avow.html and open it in your browser. It's work. Comment saved below. I know you are following along. If you are enjoying this journey, please subscribe channel.